दोस्तों हमारे चैनल वी व्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं सॉल्यूशन चैप्टर। सॉल्यूशन in normal life we rarely come across pure substance. Most of these are mixture containing two or more pure substances. Their utility or importance in life depend upon their composition. For example, the properties of brass mixture of gas are quite different from those of sodium. For example, sodium chloride is used in rat poison. Intravenous injections are always dissolved in water containing salt with at a particular ionic concentration that match with blood plasma concentration and so on. Types of solutions. Solutions are homogeneous mixtures of two or more than two components. By homogeneous mixture, we mean that its composition and property are uniform throughout the mixture. Generally, generally the component that is present in largest quantity is called solvent. दोस्तों solvent determine the physical state in which solution exists. One or more components present in the solution other than solvent are called solutes in a binary solution. Expression of concentration of solution. Composition of solution can be described by expressing its concentration. The latter can be expressed either quantitatively. For example, quantitatively we say that the solution dilute relatively very small quantity of solute or it is concentrated relative, that is relative very large quantity of solute. Mass percentage. The mass percentage of a component of a solution is defined as the mass of the component of solution upon total mass of the solution into 100. The solution is described by 10% glucose in mass. मतलब में इसमें 10 ग्राम of glucose is dissolved in 90 ग्राम of water resulting in 100 ग्राम solution. Volume percentage. The volume percentage is defined as the volume of the component upon total volume of solution into 100. Into the 10% ethanol solution in water means that the 10 ml of ethanol is dissolved in water such that the volume of solution is 100 ml milliliter. Third, mass by volume percentage. Another unit which is commonly used in medicine and pharmacy. Mass by volume percentage. It is mass of solute is dissolved in 100 milliliter of solution. Parts per million. When the solute is present in trace quantity, it is convenient to express concentration in parts per million and is defined as the number of the parts of the components upon total number of parts of all component of the solution goes to the power 6. Mole fraction. Commonly used for mole fraction is a subscript used for right hand side of the x denote the component. It is defined as number of moles of component upon total number of moles of all component. X बराबर n upon n plus the mole fraction unit is very useful in relating some physical property of solution. So say vapor pressure with concentration of solution quite useful in describing the involving the gas mixture. Molarity क्या होता है दोस्तों? Molarity defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of the solution. Number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Molarity क्या होता है दोस्तों? Molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute per kilogram of the solvent in expressed है. Molarity are independent of temperature and where molarity is a function of temperature. This is because volume depends upon temperature and mass does not equal. Solubility क्या है? Solubility of a substance is its maximum amount that can be dissolved in a specific amount of solute at a specific temperature. It depends upon the nature of solute and solvent as well as temperature and pressure. Solubility of a solid in a liquid. Every solid does not dissolve when given where sodium chloride and sugar dissolve directly in water. The pleasant and thin do not on that and naphtha and the same dissolve directly in polar solute. Dissolving polar solvent. Non-polar solvent is non-polar solvent. Dilute solution. A solute dissolved in solvent if the intermolecular interaction are similar when the two are like dissolved like. When the solid solute is added to the component, some solute dissolve and its concentration increases. So this process is known as a dissolution. Solute particles in solution collide with the solid solute particle and get separated out of the solution. This process is known as crystallization. Solute plus solvent solution and two process accommodation. And such a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at the same temperature and pressure is called saturated solvent solution, and unsaturated is one in which more solute can be dissolved at the same temperature. Effect of temperature. Le Chatelier's principle. In general, if it is nearly saturated, the dissolution process is endothermic. दोस्तों यहाँ से क्वेश्चन पूछता है ले चैटलियर प्रिंसिपल से. The solubility should increase with rise in temperature and if it is exothermic, delta H is less than 0. the solubility should decrease. This trend also observed effect of pressure. Pressure does not have a significant effect on solubility of solid and liquid. It is also because solid and liquid are highly incompressible and practically remain affected by change in pressure. Solubility of gas in a solid. Solubility of gas in solid is greatly affected by pressure and the temperature. The solubility of gas increase with increase of pressure. The lower part of the solution and upper part of gaseous system at a pressure P and temperature T. Assume that the system to be in a state of dynamic equilibrium. The stability of the gas will increase until a new equilibrium it is resulting in an increase in pressure of the gas above the solution. The solubility प्लस हेनरी ला क्या होता है दोस्तों, ये भी जानिए। अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, पूछता है यहाँ से। The solubility of gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas. Solubility of gas in a liquid solution is a function of partial pressure of the gas. If we use the mole fraction of gas in the solution as a measure of its solubility, then it is said that mole fraction of gas in a solution is proportional to partial pressure of the gas over the solution. The partial pressure of the gas in the vapor pressure is proportional to mole fraction of the x of the solution. P equal to Kh. Solubility increases with decrease in temperature. Effect of solubility on gases in liquid decreases with rise in temperature. As a dissolution is an makes the solubility should decrease with increase of temperature. Vapor pressure of liquid solution. Liquid solution are formed by solvent at high altitude. Solvent is a liquid. The solute can be a gas, a liquid, and a solute. Or a solid solution of gases in liquid have already been discussed. Vapor pressure of liquid solution. Let us consider binary solution of 2 volatile liquid and denotes the two components of first integral. When taken in equilibrium, both the components would evaporate and eventually in equilibrium will be established between the vapor phase and the liquid phase. The French scientist Francois Raoult gave the relationship, quantitative relationship between them. The relationship known as Raoult which is that for a solution of volatile liquids, the partial vapor pressure of each component in the solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction. P1 is equal to x1, P1 equal to P now. x1 P1 is the vapor pressure of pure component at the same temperature according to Dalton law. दोस्तों ये भी important है। According to Dalton law, partial pressure, the total pressure over the solution phase in the container will be the sum of partial pressure of the component of the solution. P total equal to P1 plus P2. P total x1 P1 naught plus x2 P2 naught 1 minus x2 P1 naught plus x2 P2 naught P2 P1 naught plus P2 minus P1 naught x2. Total vapor pressure over the solution can be related to mole fraction of any one component. Total vapor pressure over solution varies linearly with mole fraction of component 2. Depending on the vapor pressure and the pure component, total vapor pressure over the solution decreases with increase in mole fraction of component. Similarly, the plot of P total versus x2 is also linear. The minimum value of P total is P1 naught and the maximum value is P2 naught, assuming that component first is less volatile than component 2. If y1 and y2 are the mole fraction of the component first and in vapor phase, then using Dalton law, partial P1 is equal to y1 total, P2 is equal to y2 total. In general, P1 is equal to P1. Raoult law is a special case of Henry law. Partial pressure of volatile liquid or component directly present the mole fraction of solvent only the proportional constant K differs from P1 not the Raoult law and becomes a special case of Henry law. The vapor pressure of solution at a given temperature is found to be lower than the vapor pressure of pure liquid. Raoult law can be stated for any solution. The vapor pressure, partial vapor pressure of each volatile component in the solution is directly proportional to the mole fraction. The proportionality constant is equal to the vapor pressure of the constant. Ideal solution, non-ideal solution. The solution which will Raoult law over the entire range of concentration is ideal solution. The ideal solution are two important properties. The enthalpy of mixing of pure component to form the solution is zero and the volume of mixing is also zero. Heat is observed or evolved when the components are mixed. Ideal behavior of the solution can be explained by considering two components A and B. In pure component, the intermolecular attractive interaction will be of A and B type, whereas in the binary solution, in addition to the two interaction, AB type of interaction will also be present. If the intermolecular attractive forces between the A and BB are nearly equal to those between AB, they lead to the formation of ideal solution. This perfectly ideal solution usually, but when a solution does not operate out over the entire range of concept, this is It is called non-ideal. The vapor pressure of such a solution is either higher or lower than the predicted value. If the higher the solution exhibits positive than the lower exhibit negative from the outlier. In case of positive deviation from the outlier, AB attractions are weaker than those ABB. In this case, the intermolecular attractive forces between the solute-solvent molecule are weaker than those between solute-solute and solvent-solvent molecule. This means that in such solution molecules we find it easier to escape than in pure substance. This will increase the pressure and result in positive deviation. Mixture of ethanol and acetone behave in this manner. Ethanol and acetone are hydrogen bonding on addition, and then the molecules get in between the host molecules due to the weakening of the extraction. It's a positive from outlier. In case of negative deviation from the outlier, the intermolecular attractive forces between A and BB are weaker than those between AB and D to decrease in vapor pressure, resulting in negative deviation. It is a mixture of phenol and aniline. A mixture of chloroform and acetone form solution which with negative deviation from out of this is because chloroform molecule is able to hydrogen bond with acetone molecule. The decrease in the efficiency of molecule for each component. Consequently, the vapor pressure decreases, resulting in negative deviation from the outlier. Aziotrophs are the binary mixture having the same composition in liquid and vapor phase and boil at a constant temperature. There are two types of azeotrope: minimum azeotrope and maximum boiling azeotrope. The solution will show large positive deviation from the outlier minimum boiling from minimum boiling azeotrope at a specific composition. For example, the solution with large negative deviation from the outlier for maximum boiling azeotrope at a specific composition. Corrugative property and determination of molar mass. All these properties will depend on the number of solute particles irrespective of their nature related to the total number of particles present in the solution are called colligative property. Colligative start of co means to other, ligament means to bind. और रिलेटिव रोल आप दोस्तों ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है रिलेटिव रोलिंग ऑफ वेपर्स एंड डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट route tell the lowering of vapor will depend upon the concentration of the solute particle and it is independent of their identity. P1 equal to P1 P naught reduction in the vapor pressure is given in the solution F7 several non-voltage and the lowering of the vapor pressure depend on the sum of the mole fraction of the different solvent delta P1 upon P naught P1 naught minus P1 upon P1 naught x2. The relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to the mole fraction of the solute. देखिए दोस्तों लिखा गया है W1 W2 mass है M1 and M2 molar mass of the component. Elevation and boiling point. It boils the temperature at which the vapor pressure is equal to the its vapor pressure must be increased by 1.013 bar by raising the temperature above the boiling point of the solution. Thus the boiling point of a solution is higher than that of the boiling point of pure solvent in which the solution is added. The TB the boiling point of pure solvent and the TB with the TB not a TB. With the boiling point of solution, there is increase in the boiling point is known as elevation of boiling point. Elevation of boiling point directly proportional to molar concentration of delta TB directly from molar concentration KB. KB is equal to m is molarity is number of moles of solute in 1 kilogram of the solvent and constant of proportion KB is called boiling point elevation constant और molar elevation constant एबुलियोस्कोपिक. ये क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है दोस्तों एबुलियोस्कोपिक कांस्टेंट किसको कहते हैं तो एलिवेशन ऑफ बॉइलिंग पॉइंट Tm2 is equal to 1000 into W2 mass K into Kb upon delta Tb into W1. Depression in freezing point. The freezing point of substance may be defined as the temperature at which the vapor pressure of substance in its liquid phase is equal to the vapor pressure in solid phase. Let Tf be the freezing point of your solvent and Tf be the freezing point when non-volatile solute is dissolving. The decrease in freezing point is equal to delta is known as depression in freezing point and dilutes are the freezing point is directly proportional to the molality. Delta T is equal to delta Tf is equal to directly proportional to Km. Delta Tf is equal to Kfm. In the proportional constant Kf depend on the nature of solvent is known as freezing point, depression point or molar depression point or cryoscopic constant. ये क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है दोस्तों यहाँ से. If W2 gram of the solute having molar